Hello and welcome. My name is Billy Wagner, and this is the beginning of the Cash for College Workshop Management System tutorials. This is essentially how you're going to be able to become an approved organization for Cash for College, as well as gain access to the workshop management system. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Google Chrome browser because Google Chrome is the one that works best with our workshop management system. And you're going to go to the website cash, the number 4 college.csac.ca.gov. Once you get onto the home page of the Cash for College program, you're going to scroll down until you get to the box that says Become an Approved Organization. In the second sentence under this box, you're going to see a blue button that says Register. Go ahead and click on that blue register button, and it's going to pull up a whole new generated page. On this newly generated page, in the first box, it's going to say agency information. And agency information, we're asking for your school, your private organization, your whatever entity you may be affiliated with. You're going to put in the name of that organization first. And then you're going to put in the address and a lot of the corresponding information. And then in the second box, you're going to be putting in your information as the primary contact. So this is your name, where you work at, things like that. A lot of times it's going to be the same as the organization. And you just put in that corresponding information and you move down to the last box, which is payee information for site support funding. The payee information for site support funding is essentially whoever at your site would receive a $300 check if you were eligible for site support funding through the Cash for College system. So you put that person's name in. A lot of times it is the primary contact, but sometimes it is someone in the accounting office or something similar. So after you enter that, you just type in the CAPTCHA and you hit submit. Once you submit the application, it comes to us at the California Student Aid Commission, as well as your regional contact if you find yourself within a regional coordinating organization's realm of influence, essentially. So after that gets sent to us, we get to take a look at it, verify that you are a qualified organization and eligible to host Cash for College workshops. And if we approve you, you'll be sent 2 emails. The first email will be an account token email. This email, it's really simple. All we really want you to do is copy the token to your clipboard, and you can close right out of that email. Open up the activation email, which is essentially a link to an entirely new web page. You click on that link. It's going to first show you a box where you're going to enter in that token. After you enter in that token, you'll be able to set up your username and other login information, mainly being your password and your security questions and answers to those questions. So after you set that up, you'll be able to go back to the Cash for College homepage, and at the very top on the navigation bar, you'll see the login button. You'll click the login button, and it will take you to the login page where you'll enter that username that you just created and the password that you just created. You enter the CAPTCHA, and it'll pull it right up. So that is how you become an approved organization and how you gain access to the workshop management system. My name, once again, is Billy Wagner, and thank you for watching.